Oh, you're back. You're back. I'm sorry, I've done so much work today, so I'm a little tired, and my voice is like this because I've been talking so much this entire day. So, and I'm so tired. I wanna go to bed, but you're not here, and you're busy with work. But now that you're here, we can come cuddle. You can come here and then give me my reward for doing my job. for finishing my job, because I need all of you to recharge, because it's been a tiring week, or a month, maybe an entire life, to be honest. But I'm glad I met you. It's not that cheesy. You're not used to it. That's all. Come cuddle with me, and then excuse me. I've been yawning a lot. Hold on. What time is it? It's past midnight. How's work? Good. Just keep talking. I listen. Listen. No, I'm listening. You can keep talking about your day. I just got up against you. I've been packing a lot for the upcoming trip, and my family's house, of course, but I'm not sure if I'll still go there because of the pandemic, and I don't wanna risk them, so we'll just probably do it in a Zoom call or something. I've been streaming a lot. Yeah, it's fun. It's just tiring because I'm facing the screen all the time, even when I'm not streaming, or I am streaming. And then I did some household chores. That's why you've seen the laundry empty. No, maybe it's okay. It took it was empty.